What is up, coasters and things here? I just rode Lightning Rod. Unbelievable. I don't know what I'm going to do now. Whether I'm going to...
Wait time just got bumped back down to 60 minutes.
We only waited 35 for it. You want to ride again? This... Hold on. This is awesome. No other word to describe it. Close-up shot. I'm gonna get some more off-ride footage for you guys. Stay tuned. We're in line to ride again, and last time I got the 5th car. Hopefully this time I'll get a better row. That was unbelievable though. Yeah, I'm sporting Coaster Studios, and I don't know what I'm going to say now. Here's my dad. What do you have to say about it?
Awesome ride.
Without a doubt. He grayed out. Yeah. That was my 91st roller coaster. Yeah. Just got off of Wild Eagle. Now I'm headed to go ride Thunderhead. It's a 40-minute wait right now. Lightning Rod right now has got an 80-minute wait. There's Mystery Mine above me. And I took some footage earlier of the construction of Wildwood Grove. If I haven't already put it in the video, then I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna see y'all in a few minutes.
Mountain back, and we got to give her just a little bit of a chance to show off. So how about it, everybody? Would you like to hear the engineer play a tune on that Crosby 3-chime whistle? All right then, on the count of 3, let's all tell the engineer to blow the whistle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow the whistle. waving our fireman up there. That's Uriah. He's the one responsible for getting us all up here today by hand shoveling all that coal into the firebox. Our engines are operated the same way today as they were when they were very first built. On a busy day, Cinderella's gonna burn up about 5 tons of coal, drink up about 5,000 gallons of water, as she pulls an average of 4,000 to 5,000 people up this mountain today. We're real proud of Cinderella and the guys that operate her, and we hope you enjoy riding behind them just as much as we do.
So that wraps it up for our day here at Dollywood. We are headed on out right now. Gotta exit through the gift shop. It's been a fun day. Rode Lightning Rod a couple times, Thunderhead, Tennessee Tornado, and Wild Eagle. Rode the train. And that's about it. Oh, and I got a shirt too. See y'all.